Self-awareness, consciousness, and the black hole, a hidden force revealed. That which cannot be seen, yet observed. In the heart of science, and at the edge of philosophy, lies one of the most mysterious questions of all. What is consciousness? Not your thoughts, not your memories, but that first-person experience, the awareness behind the eyes. Now imagine something else we can't see, something science once doubted even existed. The black hole. Once a concept without evidence. A concept once often ridiculed by scientists. Where's the proof? For decades, black holes were theoretical ghosts. We couldn't see them directly, but something strange gave them away. The ripples they caused in the universe around them. Warped light, falling stars, radiation at the edge. Like a shadow cast by something we can't touch. A mystery. Perhaps the proof needed, the fabled black hole? Perhaps. Could consciousness be the same? Could it be a hidden force, beyond the reach of our instruments, yet constantly shaping reality from the inside out? Planck length 1.6, so 10 to 35. Modern physics gives us a boundary, the Planck scale. The smallest measurable length, the shortest definable time. Below this limit, our tools fail, equations break down. It is the limit of the visible. But what if the invisible begins there? Is there a clue? Waves in the quantum field, showing interference and coherence. In quantum physics, we see patterns, wave coherence, entanglement, and sudden collapse. These are not random. They're structured, intelligent, predictable. But where does that structure come from? Let's ask Einstein. So 125. Let's look to a familiar equation, GM. 8pg C4 Tmn. Einstein's field equations. They tell us space-time curves because of mass and energy. No matter, no curvature. This is the part you need to remember. The geometry of the universe is not self-caused. It reacts to something prior, the matter within it. Space-time curvature. Now let's visit quantum wave coherence. Enter the consciousness structured field theory, or CSFT. It says, the coherence of the quantum field is not self-caused. It is shaped, structured, by a field beyond it. A consciousness field that exists beyond the Planck boundary. Just as mass energy shapes space, consciousness shapes coherence. We can see its effects in the quantum field, in theory. And just like black holes, we cannot see consciousness directly, but we can see its signature in the collapse of the wave function, in the emergence of pattern from quantum chaos, in the presence of coherence where there should be randomness. It's not magic. It's inference. Do I have your attention yet? This isn't just philosophy. It's science. In science, we often infer hidden causes from visible effects. Einstein never saw a gravity wave. But he predicted it because the math demanded it. Roger Penrose never touched a singularity. But his logic said it must exist. Today, some believe consciousness is just what happens when neurons get complex. But complexity doesn't explain meaning. It doesn't explain qualia, the redness of red, the feeling of being. CSFT says that what we experience, and even what particles do, isn't caused by complexity alone. It's caused by an underlying structuring agent, consciousness itself. To fully appreciate how CSFT mirrors the logic of general relativity, we must look at the structure of both theories side by side. Einstein taught us that the geometry of space doesn't bend without something causing it, mass and energy. CSFT makes the same kind of claim, that the order and coherence we observe in quantum behavior cannot emerge from chaos alone. It requires a causally prior field, consciousness. Striking parallel. So what does this mean? It means that we are not passengers of the universe. We are participants in its very structure. Not from our bodies, but from the field that gives rise to them. The universe may not be conscious because we are in it. It may be conscious because consciousness came first. Black holes once lived in the realm of theory. Today, we photograph their shadows. What if consciousness is next?